Gulu city. We are very happy, all of us. But from the look of things, not all Ugandans are happy. People from northern Uganda are very happy. Harmonize is going to Arua. Same month, Rudeboy is already within the city, Iya, in Gulu city. The question is, what does this mean? And what must we learn? Starting off straight away with the people from central Uganda. Those who have been calling us the Konji. Yes. Those things should stop. Not all the Acholi are Konji. Not all the Acholi are LRA rebels. The mindset that your forefathers or ancestors instilled into your brain should be left behind. Just like Bob Marley said, your mother did not tell you the truth, like my mother did not tell me the truth. Your father didn't tell you the truth. My father didn't tell me the truth. Don't give full trust because they spoke their interest. And now, most of the comments were coming from that side, negative. Oh, why is this guy going to Gulu? Oh, Gulu of all places. Why is Gulu? Why Gulu? Why Gulu? You guys have been yapping here left and right. A few were happy, saying, yeah, these are the people used to despise, criticize. Something's happening. It's a sign of change. Yes, it is true, it's a sign of change. Northern Uganda, Acholi land, has come a long way. And the coming Rudeboy is a sign of a milestone in the mitigation of the effect of Low Resistance Army on the people of Northern Uganda. Yes, it's a sign that people have been working. Because shout out to DJ Chi, the one bringing this guy. Very big up to you. Thank you so much for spotting the market. Because for an entrepreneur like DJ Chi to spot the market means that market is able to support the business he or she would wish to run. In this case, the Rudeboy, the events of entertainment and rest. So it's a sign and a message to the rest of the country members that if you have shown so much that you don't want to do things with us, we're ready to move on. If the government could grant the Gulu International Airport and also the Eastern Route entering Turkana, you were not going to catch Northern Uganda. But anyway, we better unite. Forget about the past because the past is not coming. And let's do things together. It is so sad and stupid that Northern Uganda's music doesn't get airplays on the central Uganda and western Uganda TVs and radio stations. The code is you need to sing in their language. sad. And that brings me to the second thing. What do we have to learn? How can we develop our industry to go to the next level? This is a question that I've seen some content creators or influencers, I don't know technically how they call themselves, we're asking Rudeboy that how can we do it? How can we also make it happen like Nigeria? How can we sell it outside? This question should not be only for the Acholi people. It is just for the entire Uganda. Because Ugandan music is not crossing the border, guys. Maybe going to South Sudan, yeah, maybe, but it is not crossing the borders. Unless we are the ones who put in the pocket when we're going to Dubai or UK and the rest. But then to the rest of Uganda, especially those from Central, things may look fair. But for the Acholi people and the rest of Northern Uganda, you have more work to do. But then to start it off with, this is one of the things that Rudeboy or any other person will never tell you for two reasons. One, the person might have forgotten to tell you, or secondly, the person might have not seen the right perspective. Nigerians are challenging. In fact, I can say Nigeria is now the best country in Africa. They've conquered the entertainment industry. Why? Language. And this is something that the Indians have learned and they're trying to push. Language. Kung Fu and the rest, the actions, they're easy to promote. Even if it's in a Chinese language, people can watch because they're looking at the action without understanding. It's like we watching a Bola dance. The language doesn't need to be changed. But music, movie, comedies, skits, and the rest, even content creation, for you to penetrate to a different person which does not come from your ethnicity, you need to use the language that that person understands, and preferably the international language. A matter of fact, if you use traditional language, some of the local language are not even synced into the technological system that we're using today, like auto-translate, like a function which YouTube brought. If you mention the word subscribe, it animates. That was in the middle of 2024. It animates the button of subscribe automatically without you putting any icon and the rest. So how do you say subscribe in a Acholi language? Well, someone could help me. So I'm meaning we need to use English, my guys, because we are bringing big people. We have seen Clean the Drum. We have seen Ogasa Benos. Our dear brother from Nyanza province, the Jaluo man, Eric Omondi, and now Rudeboy. These are big people. So we need to start having exchange. But how do we do our exchange when we're singing in our local language? Yes, the tune, the beats and the vocals may be rhyming and feels nice. But there's a way that when you understand the language of music, the language of the music being sung, it hits different. If I may ask, do you think the Latinos are not singing? Do you think the Spanish are not singing? Do you think Russians are not making songs? What about the Chinese? Are they not singing? How many world-class amapiano music you are not knowing? If I were to pick one Amapiano song here from Mr. Brown. I don't know if I have downloaded. Okay, I have the internet also. So, Amapiano music. The best Amapianos are from South Africa. But why is it that Nigerians are the one selling Amapiano more than South Africans? It is because the Nigerians are using English language. So the best Amapiano music is coming from South Africa, but they are not being known because they are not using English. Nigerians are using English. Gone are the days when Congolese conquered Africa with, the Lingala language. And as well, you have been seeing bongo flavor dying in Tanzania. In any case, people are just enjoying in Tanzania. Because majority people don't know Kiswahili. Actually, people think Kiswahili is an African language. No. It was a language which resulted from Arabs having sex with Africans. So as I see military people always say African language, African like Kiswahili, having sex between the Arabs and the Bantu. This is not an insult, it's a clear history. They call it intermarriage. Intermarriage is for you to do it, what you know, clear. So language in marketing your content is very, very important. Very important. And if we can say, okay, let's have this Mixola song, Aye Bala Dugo, Apio by Man CJ, Low Blood by Boss Team. We go to I'm So UG by Romeo Dong, still Romeo Dong, we have Yoling. Who else? New Kubus by Luxia and Easy. If we have this, those beats fused with our traditional culture. You see, Nigeria did not abandon their culture. You see in the movie, they use the English while showing their culture. Even in the songs, they sing in English, but the beats is traditional. Most of the dances, you always see Nigerians coming with new style of dances, maybe like this, and so this one, and then that the one that Kofi Olomide came with, Skelewu and the rest. So they pick it, they engineer it from the traditional dances. We can La Bala of Bola dance can be picked and put in some kind of habits being sung in English. Guys, let me tell you this. If you want to change, you have to do something that you have not done. If you keep doing what you're doing now, you will keep getting what you've been getting. If nothing changes, nothing will change. If we want, because the central guys will never give you the market, so we need it outside. Advantages, we have Luo in South Sudan, we have Luo in Nyanza province, that is Kenya. Those are the immediate market, and some few in Congo, and also Luo in Ethiopia. But then, the likes of Nigerians, they are cooperative, they can do exchange, featuring, and also DJ Chi. We say, oh DJ Chi, you take for us Parola Boy with Man CJ who sang the Karama song. Karama, but now that would be in English. So I've been talking about this for so long, man. I've been talking about this for so long. We have seen Leo Palayeng, Ba Palamiel, and the rest. Most of the Leo Palayeng songs I've seen synthesized. Let me not forget about Judas Rapnole, African warrior. He even said it clearly in his song that Chinobili told him to fuse a gangster beats with African what? Traditional beats. Because Chernobyl has been abroad, he knows what the world wants right now. The world is looking for something new. And that's why those of DJ Mafresa had to work with Major Laza in Africa to bring Amapiano to life after it was discovered in South Africa. But then Nigerians realized if we let this beat go the way it is, we are going off. South Africans will take up the throne because there was a time Congo took, then Kenya came with Bongo flavor. South Africa was also there earlier, and now it is Nigerians' time. But then it was going to be taken away by South Africa. They started. They are sound engineers, the producers, the people who you call producers. They should be sound engineers. You record it, you sing it in your base. That's what is called sound engineering. So I don't know what is so difficult about this thing. If you hear the way we're whining, I can't take away of electronics. No chiro, the best matter fused, kill him more. You don't get mixing word more. He put some words in a Acholi language, which helps it. So I've talked a lot, and that is it. Rudeboy is here. Let's make it happen. Let it be full, because they're going to laugh at us. If it is not full, they will talk about it. So let it be massive, peacefully, without anything wrong. Actually, by the time I want the security will be top. So yeah, that is it. We will keep meeting. Enjoy the videos on Acholi ITV. Thank you.